Welcome to Bespoke Droid Nix. So, today we're gonna learn how to set custom resolution in Ubuntu. This works on any Ubuntu-based distros, so is pretty much the same. Alright then. Let's get started. The first thing we gotta do is open the console. Follow along these commands. This is our display name, so we need to note it down. Now enter your desired resolution following the CVT. Here I need 1600x900. You may change yours according to your requirements. Now, you've temporarily added the resolution, and you may apply it through the settings. To permanently save this resolution, open a new tab in console and follow these commands. Copy the last input lines from the previous tab and paste it at the bottom of the text file. Hit Ctrl-O, followed by Ctrl-M to save the changes, and Ctrl-X to exit the Nano text editor. And you're done. You have successfully completed in setting up the custom resolution. Now you may restart your device to check the results. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and subscribe.